In this video, I am going to show you how to install LUTs in Davinci Resolve 18. Here you can see that on my timeline I have imported a clip. To install the LUTs, from the menu click on File, click on Project Settings. Under Project Settings you need to click on Color Management. Under Color Management you have Lookup Tables. Under that click on Open LUT folder. Here is a LUT folder. Now you need to create a new folder for your LUTs. Give the name. I have given Naiwik LUTs. Now go to the location where you have downloaded the LUTs. Copy them. Come back and paste the LUTs in the newly created folder. Now what you can do is, now you can simply click on Update List. The LUTs will be updated. Now click on Save. Now to apply the newly installed LUTs, what you can do is select the clip and click on Color. Right click on the node and click on LUT. Under that you will have newly created LUTs folder. Under that select the LUT of your choice. Here you can see the difference. Now let's try the second LUT. Right click on the node and click on LUT. Under LUT you will have the folder which you have created and select the other LUT. So that's it guys. In this way you can install LUTs in Davinci Resolve 18. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.